In this video, we're going to talk about how to collaborate in Elsa. Elsa allows you to collaborate more easily with your chapter co-contributors, co-editors, co-authors, or other people who are working with you on your project. One way to do this is by adding in chapter comments. What I'm going to do is find a place in my chapter where I want to leave a comment, highlight the text about which I would like to leave it, and then navigate to the toolbar. So I've clicked into this paragraph here, and I'm going to go to the top toolbar and I'm going to click on Add Comment. We can see that the comments pane has opened, and I'm going to leave my notes in the field. You can then click Save and see that the comment has been added to the comments list, so anyone else who's working on this chapter can then come in and see the comments list. They can then reply to those comments, or they can resolve those comments. Any comment that you leave within the chapter, you can either edit or delete it. Another way in which you can collaborate with people on your project team is, of course, by sending the chapter. In Elsa, you're able to send chapters or past chapters to co-contributors, so you don't have to upload the manuscript to an email and send it to contributors with notes. It's all done within Elsa. In order to send the chapter or pass the chapter, I'm going to go over here to my right toolbar and click on Send, and then from the drop-down menu I'm going to look at what my options are so I can send to the next stage in the workflow. So that would mean that I'm done with my chapter and I'd like an editor to take a look at it, or whoever is responsible for the next stage in the workflow. I can also pass the chapter, which is to share the chapter with someone who is a co-contributor with you. It doesn't move it forward through the workflow, it just passes it to another contributor to take a look. I'm going to go ahead and skip my chapter forward to staff review. And I also have the option of leaving a chapter note here, and then I'm going to click on Send. Elsa confirms that I have passed the chapter along with this notification in the upper right-hand corner. You can also see here that my chapter note shows up along with the other chapter notes that have been left in the chapter. Those chapter notes will only show on the project overview page. Now you know a little bit more about how you can collaborate more easily within Elsa by utilizing the comments function and by being able to send chapters directly within Elsa. If you need more help or you would like to check out some frequently asked questions or other how-to articles, you can go to our help page by clicking on the help icon at the upper right corner of your screen and choosing one of these options from the drop-down menu.